Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixGaming. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to clear the search history that you made on your phone. So if you've been doing something on your Android phone and you want to clear your search history, scroll up from the bottom, locate files in here. It's probably going to be under the Google folder. Then go to Files, and you're going to be brought to this screen where you can see your recent photos or videos. Go to the three little lines, then go to Settings. Scroll on down and you can go to Clear Search History, Pause Search History, or Smart Search. So let's go to Clear Search History. Are you sure you want to clear your search history? Let's go to Clear. Alright, and as soon as you press Clear, it's going to be cleared. And then our search history should be cleared out now. So just a heads up, this is going to be separate than like Google. This is going to be pretty much just on your phone. So if you've been searching for something on your phone, well, it's going to be cleared now. But it's going to be separate from like Google search or something else. You're going to have to go to the browser in there and then delete the search history in a separate area. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Tech. Manually.